Wait until But are they actually enjoyable to eat, or is it just sugar overload? Let's test this monster shake and see if it's worth the sugar rush. So, after putting these viral Instagram food trends to the test, here's what we think. Insert your thoughts on each trend. Some definitely live up to the hype, while others might be better left for the gram. Let us know in the comments which food trend you're excited to try, or if there's another viral trend you want us to test next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more food adventures. See you next time on Tastebud Heaven.